this. Game over. How could I have any fucking time with all this weight on my shoulder?
What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. So I know a lot of you guys are always looking for new ways to make money. Some of the times you guys are thinking, how can I make money? How can I make a little bit of extra money here? What can I do to have another source of income? And that's exactly why I'm here today. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 different ways to make an extra $500 per month. Now, if you're efficient enough, this could become $500 every 2 weeks. It could become $500 every week. It just depends how you do it, how much effort you put in, how you use your mind, how you use your connections, exactly what you do in your free time, and of course, who exactly you market to. So all 5 of these ways are not as hard as you think they are. Making an extra $500 per month is not as hard as you think it is. These ways I'm going to give you, you can do at home, you can do right now, you can do in the future, you can do whenever you want. Some of these ways you can set up and leave them to run and they'll automatically bring you money in each and every month. It's up to you to do the work, put in the time, and of course, reap the rewards as well. So you're probably thinking, an extra $500 a month? That's not bad. And it isn't bad. When you break down the numbers and do the maths, it's not as hard as you think. It really is not as difficult as you think. $500 broken down over a few weeks, over 4 weeks, it's just over $100. If you break that down into each and every week, it's $100 a day. It's not difficult, it's not tough. You just have to use your mind, effectively work on these ideas I'm going to give you, and hopefully make your money. So the first way I'm going to give you, sell $20 coaching calls to 25 people. That is not difficult. That really isn't difficult. You're probably thinking, what can I coach about? I don't know, how I can coach. People don't want to be coached. Well, what can you coach about? You can coach about sales. You can coach about social media, how to grow your social media. You can coach about creating your own lifestyle, financial freedom, personal finance. You can coach about eBay dropshipping. You can coach about so many different things. As I've told you many times before, people will pay to get your expertise. People will pay to get your knowledge, find out about your experiences in different areas of your life. Even if it's dieting, nutrition, how to become financially free. People love being coached. And again, people will pay the money. $20 is not a lot just to pay for, to someone to get a coaching call on whatever it may be. $20 really isn't a lot. It's the same price as one of those, meals you're going out to have on a lunch break. It's the same price as, you going to the movies. $20 is not a lot. And if people find that it's investing in themselves and helping themselves grow, become better, they'll definitely do it. You all have skills, you all have ability, you all have knowledge. Use that knowledge to coach people who don't have that knowledge yet. Again, just $20 to 25 people, and you've got your extra $500 per month, per week, wherever it may be. Now, of course, your time is limited, so it depends how long you want those calls to be. If you want the calls to be longer, then you may charge more. If you want the calls to be, shorter, you might charge less and get more people. You can mix it up however you want, but do some coaching calls. 2, write a $10 ebook and sell it to 50 people. Or write a $5 ebook and sell it to 100 people. Again, what kind of ebooks, you're wondering? There are plenty of ebooks. I'm going to give you a few examples of what I've done for ebooks. Law of Attraction, Building Wealth, Relationships, How to Start Investing in the Stock Market, Dieting, Nutrition. Ebooks are so useful because people could just, log on their laptop, go onto their phone, read the ebook, take it with them wherever they go. It doesn't, it's not any extra baggage. Maybe a book, people bring up the excuse that a book is too heavy, a book is going to take up space. You don't have that with ebooks. Again, $5 ebook or $10 ebook, people are willing to pay for that. Even, if it's about the art of selling. You guys don't know this, but yesterday I sold another one of these boys. It is not difficult. When you know how to sell and you can teach people how to sell, they'll make money from it, you make money from it, everyone's happy. When you know how to sell, you're going to make money. When you teach people how to sell, you're going to make more money. So write an ebook on, again, any topic you want. Sell it for $5, $10 to 100 people, to 50 people. And these people will buy it. How are you going to market it? Well, you have to be creative. You can use social media, you can use email listing, you can use many different ways. Even if it's just telling your friends, hey, I've got an ebook, I've just launched it, please share it with a friend, or if you want to, if you're interested in it, go and purchase it online here. Sell that ebook to as many people as possible and get your extra $500 per month. 3, sell $50 subscriptions to 10 people. Just 10 people for $50 subscription. Again, you're wondering, what can I get people to subscribe to? Any kind of streaming service, any kind of, maybe access to a list of hot items, any kind of, newsletter, any kind of different thing which, people are interested in, people will constantly pay each and every month. Even if that's just, access to a course, access to maybe calls with them, access to, information, reaching out to them, those kind of things. Just $50 to 10 people. Again, if you want to make it cheaper, you can make it cheaper, sell to more people. $50 is not a lot for, being able to speak to someone whenever they want. if you have your own course or newsletter where people just pay $50 each and every month, they'll willingly pay for it because your newsletter is bringing them value. Your course is teaching them more about whatever subject it may be. Even if you just have your own private Discord chat where people can talk about, I don't know, stocks or, real estate, whatever it may be. People have their own affiliate marketing programs where people charge, they charge $50 to different people each and every month. Those people obviously pay the $50, but added to that, guess what? They go and they make money from, selling whatever program, course, any guide it may be. You have a course, you have knowledge, you have whatever it may be again. Subscription, people pay it each and every month. Sometimes, if you're lucky, people will pay it the first time and then they'll subscribe and then they'll forget about it. They'll be paying for it and they might not even use it anymore. That's not your business. You set up the subscription, people subscribe, you get your money. 4, make a $25 trade 20 days a month. So there are 2 ways to do this. This means selling anything you own for $25, or it means buying something and selling it for $25 more. The great thing about this is, all you need to do is do it 20 days a month. As you guys know, I've done similar stuff to this in the past multiple times. I've made YouTube videos on it, I've done it, I've talked about it. You guys know this. $25, profit from an item is not a lot, it's not difficult. When I was selling those Ring doorbells, you guys remember I was making $60, $70 profit. You sell 5 of those, you sell 10 of those, and you're golden. But here, I'm just making it easy for you. Sell something for $25 or $25 more than you bought it, and again, just do it 20 times each and every month. If you can do that in a week, go for it. If you can do that, in a few days, go for it. Make your money, make your $500, and trust me, that one is one of my favorite ways because it is so easy, it is so effective, and really, a lot of people don't do it because they just don't realize how simple it is. You can go to garage sales, you can go to stores, you can use eBay, you can use Amazon, you can use so many different ways. You can use what's already in your house. Just a $25 profit on any item in this world is not difficult. If you go into selling mobile phones like I did, you can make hundreds of dollars profit very quickly. It's up to you how you want to make that $500 per month, but I definitely suggest go and trade something for a small amount more and keep doing that repetitively. The 5th and final way, build a $100 course and sell it to just 5 people. Honestly, just 5 people. A $100 course is not a lot. This is not a subscription, they're not paying each month, but you just make a course, sell it for $100 and just sell it to 5 people. Just 5 people. In the whole world, you can find 5 people. Trust me. If you think $100 is too expensive for your course, you're not offering enough value. Either you adapt your course, improve it, or you can make it a $50 course and sell it to just 10 people. It's up to you how you want to make this happen. Again, a course on what? Well, it can be how to build websites. It can be, flipping items. It can be how you made this amount of money on the stock market. It can be about the stock market. It can be about creating a business. It can be about building a brand, starting, real estate, starting with Shopify dropshipping. It can be about so many different things. Create your own course. It can be a video guide. It can be a bunch of, ways to build an email list. It can be so many different things. It's your own course. Be creative with it. Show your knowledge again. People are going to pay for that knowledge. If you really want to do it on, how to code because you know how to code, do it. How to draw, how you got good in art, do it. How to start a business like me, do it. Honestly, you can do it for so many different things as long as you know what you're talking about. But if you know how to teach something, then teach it and get paid for it. Why not? You can do this in this period of time that we're in now with this pandemic. You can do this in the future. But once your course is made, it's out there and you can get sales from it. You can adapt it, every now and then, that's fine. But once you've made it, like I said, you've made it, so what's the point in holding off? What's the point in, trying to say, oh, I'm not going to sell it, I'm not going to do this. You've made it, you've done the work. You don't need to do anything else. If you want to update it, you want to adapt it, you want to improve it, that's your choice. It's not a must. It's not, you don't have to do that. But once you've made your course, trust me, put it out there. If you want, you can make a $500 course and just sell it to one person each and every month. But you better believe that course has to be amazing, has to be top notch. But like I said, if you want to make a course cheaper, it could be a $25 course. Something very simple. Even though a course shouldn't be that cheap because it's going to have a lot of information, a lot of videos, and you would have put a lot of time into it. But again, it's up to you. Personally, I definitely go for selling a $250 course, a $100 course, sell it to 5 people, sell it to 2 people. If you're really smart and you know what you're doing, go and sell your $500 course to 1 person. But make sure that it's something you created to improve their life and make them better, and also to help them. So, you guys have got a lot of free time these days. Try one of those ideas out. Flipping items. If you want to sell hats, sell hats. If you want to start a business like me and get sales regularly like me, go and do that. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you guys leave a like. Give me that thumbs up to show me that you guys enjoyed the video. We need a few more likes on this channel. Keep commenting as well, like you guys do. Sharing it with your friends as well, giving them some ideas, you know, during this pandemic. But anyway, tomorrow's Financial Friday, so make sure you guys are back here for that one. But I've got money to making, you got money to making. See you guys tomorrow, Financial Friday. Peace.